What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to actually be talking about Dogecoin. So as you can see, Dogecoin is actually making its comeback the last week or so. So if we look at the 7-day chart, we saw it pull all the way back to almost pretty much 20 cents a share. And I know people who got in right around the 40-cent mark. We saw, significant sell-off in anticipation of Doge Day. Right, so we know that April 20th was Doge Day, but now I do want to mention that there are some catalysts that are incoming. So if we could see here, the price did pull back pretty significantly through the 23rd on Friday, but now we've seen it rise almost back to its all-time highs. So the question is why? Why is Dogecoin making a comeback? Why is it having a rally? There's a few different catalysts that are upcoming. So as you know, Elon Musk, honestly, the Dogefather, I truly think that should be his name because we know May 8th, so next weekend, he's going to be featured on Saturday Night Live. And the big thing that people are speculating, or were speculating, is that he's going to be talking about Dogecoin on SNL. SNL has millions and millions of Americans that tune in to the show. So the fact that he's going to be talking about it, on Saturday Night Live, that's going to potentially bring more people who are, not even interested in the cryptocurrency space to kind of further dig into it and potentially start to look into what is this Dogecoin, what is cryptocurrency, and why is it so significant that someone, like Elon Musk is talking about it. So that's what I think is the most immediate catalyst for Dogecoin, and I think this truly can continue to bring the price back to its all-time high and probably surpass that, because again, the fact is you never want to, I said it previously in another video, you never want to underestimate the internet. So the big thing is with the whole cryptocurrency space and the fact that it's been blowing up is that, again, a lot of this is run by retail investors. Yes, there are whales here and there, don't get me wrong, I totally understand that. But the fact is with Dogecoin is that a lot of people are entering into it that have no interest in cryptocurrency, rather because it's a part of a movement, right? So if we go on the Reddit page, there's 1.6 million subscribers to the Dogecoin, the r/Dogecoin Reddit thread. And you could see all the little things. It's a super fun community, very, very active. You could see in the last 5 hours, little jokes here and there. But the fact is there are some really good deep dives and due diligence posts within this community that you can go in and read about and try to see, hey, this actually is pretty cool. And, Dogecoin does have utility outside of the fact that, it initiated as a meme coin, but it's showing the power of the people, right? So remember, guys, my channel is not for financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Rather, I try to put you guys in the place that I'm in. So you could see this past Friday here, the day before yesterday, Yahoo Finance came out with an article saying, is Dogecoin dead? So after Doge Day, we saw a lot of, people selling the news. Yes, it was announced that it is Doge Day on 4/20. A lot of people were going to push the price, forward, continue to make it run up for the next, week, 2 weeks to push towards that $1. But big whales, the paper hands, if you will, decided to sell off because, again, they were doing that buy the rumor ahead of the day, sell the news. And we see this over and over again. And the same thing's going to happen with May 8th. So as we know, Elon Musk and Mark Cuban, two very wealthy men who have a lot of social media. They're just, pretty well known around the social media outlets. And they're just, especially Mark Cuban, he's a very, very well-renowned investor. Elon Musk being, the CEO of Tesla, one of the biggest companies by market cap in the United States. They're saying that Dogecoin, they're very bullish on Dogecoin. They have a lot of their own money in it. And so they, continue to talk about it here and there. I'm not sure if Elon does, but I know that Mark Cuban is very open to the fact that he does hold and he has bought Dogecoin in the past. So if you scroll through and read this article, it kind of talks about their perspective, what they're thinking when it comes to Dogecoin. So again, really look into this one. And the fact is the accessibility for Dogecoin, guys, it is increasing substantially. So a lot more people are able to buy into Dogecoin now because guess what? It's available on things like Robinhood. It's available on Webull. So some of these stock brokerages now offer the ability to buy Dogecoin, especially Webull. Just as a 420, they started allowing that. So remember, if you click my link below for Webull, you do get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100, valued up to $1,850 just for depositing. So get your free money, and then you also have the ability to buy Dogecoin. A lot of people have been asking me, where do I buy it? Where do I buy it? I say buy it at, on a brokerage that is FDIC insured, instead of, some of these decentralized exchanges. But regardless, if you want to, get in on Dogecoin, use the link below, get your free stocks, and also get your Dogecoin on Webull. And also click my link below for Blockfi. You do get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin once you sign up for it. So go ahead, get your free money. Look out for where Dogecoin is headed. Again, it could really skyrocket in anticipation of the SNL, the Saturday Night Live, Elon Musk, Dogefather character that might be played. Again, this is kind of more speculation. It's not necessarily confirmed, but he's teasing with us on a social media platform on Twitter. But again, everybody, keep your eye on it. The price action has been pretty nice, especially if we look at even just the last day. It did go up to pretty much 40 cents. It's pulled back since a little bit because we know there's some heavy resistance around the 40-cent mark. So again, a lot of people are, if we're able to break out of the 40-cent mark, we know where this can go. This can start doing exactly what it did way back here on April 14th. We saw significantly increase in a pretty short amount of time, a sell-off. But then once it broke that resistance around 12-13 cents, boom, it went up to 40 cents. So again, same thing. The buying pressure is there as long as we can beat resistance marks, right? And again, that's just basic technical analysis. I'm not doing any charting. I'm not drawing anything out, but I want to show you guys the basics. History tends to repeat itself when it comes to looking at things, in the cryptocurrency market or in the stock market. So again, that's what a technical analysis basically is. So again, if we see around the 40-cent mark there, that's where we have heavy resistance once upon a time. And again, we had it again, so selling pressure when we approached it. But guys, if we're able to break that barrier and hold up there, we know this thing can continually run. And I could truly see $1 being a potential price target for Dogecoin, in my opinion, in the short term. Now again, leading up to May 8th, just be careful because people, again, will be buying the rumor, selling the news. So don't be a product of, a sell-off and end up losing a lot of money. Rather, try to figure out, do your research about Dogecoin and whether or not you're actually, willing to hold it for the long term. Because I know a lot of people are in this boat. So it just says here, I'll just buy now and come back in a few years. Also me every day, looking at the charts, looking at Dogecoin. That's just basically with any stock. So you tell yourself it's a buy and hold, but you end up, looking at it on a day-to-day basis. So, and that's the reality of things. So just be one of those who's extra careful. Look into the different news that's surrounding Dogecoin. Just keep yourself up to date. Follow Elon Musk on Twitter, right? It's not a plug for him, but it kind of is because he's someone that, significantly impacts the price action of Dogecoin day to day. So thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. And until next time, keep investing.